All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver or 7mm socket and either water pump pliers or some combination pliers. Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your machine has an emergency drain hose, drain any excess water. The drain hose is usually found next to the filter at the bottom of the machine. It may be behind the kick plate. This machine has a filter but no drain hose. Lay some towels on the floor to protect both the washing machine and the flooring, and gently lay your machine on top. If the machine is heavy, ask for help when laying down and lifting up. The sump hose is accessed from the bottom of the washing machine. The screw for the hose clamp circled here in orange needs to be loosened for us to remove the sump hose from the drum. Either loosen with a Phillips head screwdriver or a socket. With your pliers, squeeze the wire hose clamp together and lift it up as shown. This will allow us to remove the rest of the sump hose from the pressure chamber in a second. Repeat the process on the wire hose clamp that's around the hose on the drain pipe. Remove the hose which is attached to the pressure chamber. You may find it easier to roll the rubber up the pipe and then remove. Your old sump hose can then be removed from the machine. Some sump hoses come with the clamps and clips included, but some don't. So always keep hold of the clamps and clips from your old sump hose. The large hose clamp here holds the part of the sump hose that connects to the drum in place. When attaching and tightening shortly, make sure the clamp sits in the slit pointed at here. The black wire clamp holds the sump hose to the pressure chamber, and the silver wire clamp holds the sump hose to the drain pump. Now you can attach the new sump hose to the machine. Make sure the main hose clamp is accessible to tighten. With either your socket, this one is 7mm, or your screwdriver, tighten the clamp. You'll see it start to squeeze together. With your pliers, squeeze the two wire clamps together and slide them down over the rubber so the hose is securely attached to the pipes underneath. And that's it, your new sump hose is all set to go.